Meet the all-new 2025 Genesis GV80, where luxury meets power. With a striking design and athletic stance, it commands every road. Up to 375 horsepower from a twin-turbo V6, pure driving confidence. Inside, premium Napa leather and a panoramic sunroof wrap you in elegance. Cutting-edge tech, a 27-inch OLED display, a fingerprint start, and immersive B&O sound. Packed with advanced safety, from highway driving assist to blind spot monitoring. Starting at just $58,200, it delivers true luxury without compromise. The 2025 Genesis GV80, luxury redefined.